Hi guys! Welcome back, and currently nandito tayo sa mall kasi we are going for an upgrade. Bibili tayo ng bagong phone. So we decided na dito na ako sa HUAWEI bumili ng bagong phone. And eto na siya. I decided to go with the HUAWEI Nova 5T. Nagpatulong din ako kay Glen para makapag-decide, and this is yung napag-desisyonan ko. So, eto na yung phone. Sinesetup na siya. I got the variant Midsummer Purple. Ang unique kasi ng color, kaya eto yung pinili ko. Pero meron din siyang black, blue, and crush green. Yung crush green, yun naman yung pinaka latest yata na variant nila. So let's go to the freebies. First is we have a waterproof pouch para sa mga travels that involve swimming tsaka mga water. Para naman syempre protected yung device mo from getting wet. Kasi yung iba pag nabasa, parang beyond repair na siya minsan. Second is we have is a monopod na ipa-plug in mo lang yung device mo sa kanya. And then, click the button to take a selfie or goofy. Since HUAWEI Nova 5T doesn't have an earphone jack unlike other devices, this won't work on my phone unless gumamit ako ng dongle. Next freebie is a 10,000 mAh power bank in the color white. Meron na siyang kasamang charging cable. And a power bank may come in handy for those na laging nauubusan ng battery. But since the HUAWEI Nova 5T has a battery capacity of 3,750 mAh, I doubt kung mauubusan pa ako ng battery agad. And last freebie is a Bluetooth speaker. This is a HUAWEI original freebie. It's not for sale, pero it's a complimentary gift when I bought the phone. This one is worth 1,700 plus, pero it's free when you buy the phone. It comes with an auxiliary cable. Bukod sa pagiging speaker, you can also use this as a night light. Just be sure na nakakonect yung device mo sa speaker para walang ibang makakonect na device sa kanya. Malalaman mo din yung battery percentage ng speaker habang nakakonect siya sa device mo. Bale, yung battery percentage makikita mo siya sa notifs mo. And here it is. Ayan yung tsura niya. Balit lang siya, pero okay na din. It's not bad. Kasi malakas din naman yung audio niya nung tinry namin sa store. So, ito yung itsura niya kapag nakakonect na. Merong 3 modes yung ilaw. Merong mabagal yung transition, may moderate. And then, ito yung nakikita nyo, which is yung sinasabayan niya yung beat ng music or ng sound na pinapatugtog namin. And for the main event, we have the HUAWEI Nova 5T. Ito yung tsura ng box niya. White na may holographic na design ng text. It also has the name of the phone on either sides. So let's open this one up. Wala na yung phone kasi ginagamit ko na siya ever since binili siya kanina. So yung nasa loob is yung SIM ejector. Ito siya. And then yung mga paperwork tulad nung warranty card tsaka nung manual niya. We also have yung adapter ng charger natin. 22.5 volts daw yung charger. Kaya mabilis daw talaga mag-charge yan. Within 30 minutes from 0% yata, aabot na siya ng 50% agad. And then, eto na yung cable niya. Type-C na yung charger niya. We also have yung headset niya. Walang headphone jack yung 5T, kaya Type-C na din yung plug nung earphones. And this is what the phone looks like. I repeat, this is in the Midnight Summer Purple na variant. It has 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. It has a battery capacity of 3,750 mAh. As for the cameras, it has a 16MP super wide angle camera, a 48MP main camera, 2MP depth assist camera, and a 2MP macro camera. Ayan, wala siyang headphone jack. Andyan na din yung speaker niya sa ilalim. So, ito yung power button and then volume button. And then, the power button is also the fingerprint sensor. So, ayan. Pag na-read niya yung fingerprint mo, automatic mag-unlock na siya. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching and let us know what do you think about this device. Again, thank you so much for watching and we will see you on our next vlog. Bye guys!